Hello and welcome back to Creative Exploration. Today in this video we are going to make glass bottle hangers. So let's start. For making this we need is a thread, glass bottle and a pair of scissors. So in the first part we are going to take a piece of thread and we are going to make a loop. So the loop is now ready, and next we are going to prepare the threads for knotting, and let's start tying them to the loop. Here make sure that the thread we are taking is lengthy enough so that we can tie it at the last. We require total 4 pieces of threads here. After tying, ensure that the knots are tight enough. Next we'll start the process of knotting. For this, put the loop on the glass. Now take on thread from each corner and simply tie it, forming a triangular look. Tie it twice. Moving forward, we will apply the same process. Make sure that your knots are tight enough. We need to repeat the same process all over the bottle. And now our bottle is almost ready. Just take off the excess thread and stretch it to tighten up and tie it all at the bottom. You can leave this hanging or you can even cut it out as per your wish. Again we need here is a thread to hang the bottles. Tie it on the top of the loop. So now our bottle hanger is all ready. And I hope you like my video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and please share this video with your friends who love planting. Thank you so much for watching.